So as you notice, it's not as tall, it's not that big, but it does work, and I love it because of that. So you have here 4 different options as to use it. I have these bits here. You can accommodate it because you can divide, change like the plastic that makes the divisions between them. For example, this one, I took the ones in between, so I have that long space for the keys. So you notice it's almost the height as the curved one there, and you have this top one that it has more space because it's deeper, and you can save it. It's not heavy, it's easy. I think this will work mostly for us women. You know, we don't want to carry like the big toolbox in case of, but it does work, and I love it. I recommend it for everybody, even for your kids. You can work this out.